Welcome aboard the MJM 47X. Whether you're a seasoned boater or just discovering the world of premium day boating, the 47X delivers an unmatched blend of luxury, efficiency, and innovative design. From its iconic profile to its fully enclosed pilot house and bow rider layout, every inch of this yacht is built for comfort, ease of use, and versatility, giving you more time on the water. Let's take a closer look at what sets the MJM 47X apart, starting with a few key specs. The MJM 47X is 46 feet 8 inches long. The beam is 12 foot. Available power includes a choice of twin 440 horsepower diesel Volvo stern drives or twin Mercury 600 horsepower outboards. The diesel option boasts a top speed over 40 miles per hour with a cruise speed in the mid-30s at better than 1 mile per gallon. The twin 600 horsepower outboards give the boat a cruise speed in the low 30s and an exhilarating top speed of over 50 miles per hour. Entering the pilot house is easy because the floor is a single level from the aft deck all the way to the open bow. This boat has a full isinglass rear panel that can be completely removed for total open air boating. An optional glass enclosure with glass door is available. Along the port side, there's plenty of solid surface countertop for meal prep and room for an optional inductive cooktop. A large recessed stainless steel sink with pullout makes cleanup easy. And there's a standard filtered water dispenser. Right here, easy access to a 110 outlet for a coffee maker or blender. At the back of the counter, there's a hidden TV. This provides an unobstructed view or perfect TV viewing at the touch of a button. Under the sink, there's beautiful high-gloss teak cabinetry, handcrafted right in the MJM plant. This includes a built-in trash receptacle to keep the galley tidy and 3 large drawers. Notice how the drawers use a high-quality dovetail joint like fine furniture. There's easy access to the built-in microwave and below a large storage drawer for pots and pans. You can never have too much storage. Here you'll find more than 5 cubic feet of refrigerated drawer space. On the starboard side of the pilot house, you'll find a comfortable L-shaped settee, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Underneath, there's ample storage. This beautiful table provides the perfect place for meals and snacks. There are conveniently placed cup holders and 110 outlets with USB ports. This area is a great place to watch TV, and it's truly a perfect place to take in the 360-degree view the full beam pilot house offers. At the helm of the MJM 47X, every detail is designed for effortless command of the vessel. First, the large steering wheel offers total control and ease of use for precision handling. Next, the dual fly-by-wire shifters offer smooth, instant gear changes. And with 1,200 horsepower at your fingertips, the 47X planes effortlessly in just seconds with virtually no bow rise. So you never lose sight of the horizon for full visibility and safer control. Front and center are the dual 16-inch touchscreen Garmin displays, providing crystal clear visibility of navigation, system data, and performance metrics. Here you'll find all your essential switches close at hand, dedicated to high priority functions. Maneuvering is made simple with a bow thruster and intuitive joystick, allowing precise control for docking or tight spots, even in less than perfect conditions. And while the pilot house offers a climate-controlled environment, when the weather is right, you can open the back, these huge side windows, and with a push of a button, these 3 front windows to create a truly open-air experience. The bow of the 47X is large, deep, and incredibly comfortable, with seating for up to 6 people, perfect for cruising, entertaining, or just relaxing at anchor. Underneath the front 3 cushions, you'll find deep storage compartments with solid metal hinges for easy open and close, with no worries about cushions flying out while underway. Even with all this great space on deck, the 47X offers an incredible lower level. Take a look. The forward seating area easily converts to a spacious queen-size berth with extra storage below and additional storage to the left. Storage drawers along the port side in elegant satin cherry keep your personal effects organized and within reach. Overhead, an opening hatch with built-in screen and sunshade provides both ventilation and light control. Real wood trim and high-end materials create a warm environment. And when it's time to unwind, a bulkhead-mounted TV lets you relax with your favorite entertainment close by. The spacious head is form and function with room to move, something you'll appreciate on longer cruises or overnight stays. The solid surface countertop looks great and is easy to clean. There's plenty of storage throughout, giving you space for everyday essentials without clutter. There's a vacuum flush marine head. And just aft, you'll find a fully enclosed shower featuring a sleek acrylic enclosure, a removable wand, and an integrated step for added convenience. Just after the head is the full amidships berth, featuring a plush memory foam mattress for real comfort during overnight stays, with storage underneath and a privacy curtain that turns the space into a quiet retreat. Along the port side of the aft deck, you'll find a large counter space perfect for prep or serving, with a large freezer below. This L-shaped seating offers a comfortable spot to relax and enjoy the view. Under here, there's a large storage well, perfect for fenders and lines. This floor hatch provides easy access to serviceable items below deck, ensuring maintenance is quick and hassle-free. Along the starboard side, there's additional counter space and room for an optional barbecue grill, perfect for seaside dining. Below, there's a large storage area to keep essentials out of sight. This cockpit door makes boarding easy and secure. Under the floor, there's a huge storage compartment, perfect for folding chairs, electric bikes, and more. Easily accessible at the touch of a button. Thank you for joining us for a tour of the MJM 47X. From its innovative layout and world-class performance to its effortless handling and refined craftsmanship, the 47X is more than just a luxury day boat. It's your passport to more time on the water, with less hassle and more enjoyment. Whether you're cruising offshore, entertaining at anchor, or docking single-handedly, this yacht is built to make every aspect of boating easier, safer, and more fun. To experience the MJM 47X for yourself, visit your nearest MJM dealer or check us out on the web at mjmyachts.com. Until next time, I'm JD Schmid. I'll see you on the water.